So guys, this is Darjeeling. We're enjoying the weather, the climate, and what to say, the scenario, the views. We are on the top of the mountain and we're enjoying the weather as well. The life of Darjeeling. It is outstanding. When you see the scenario and you stay at the point, you realize, oh my god, this is the destination where you should go and visit the places. So this is the nature and we should see the nature, we should visit the place so that we understand the world, the nature, the creations. This is called Darjeeling views on the top of the mountain. See the mountain, okay, and see the views from the windows. We are staying in a hotel. Okay guys, have a nice day, enjoy the life, enjoy the nature. Okay, cool, bye, love you all.